Okay, hello everyone. I'm glad to see you again. Okay, at the previous lesson, we studied about countable and uncountable noun, also some, any, and article a and n. Okay, let's see, there is a small story about rabbit and hen. Okay, there is a rabbit with her little baby and a hen with her little babies. But there aren't any other animals in this small forest. Okay, the dialogue between hen and rabbit. Rabbit, how many babies do you have? I count them. Okay, hen, not many. Not many. I have 4 babies. Okay, a rabbit. I'm thirsty. I haven't got any water. Okay, a hen. I have some water. I have some water. How much water do you want? Rabbit, not much. Okay, so at the previous lesson, we studied article a and also n. And we studied countable nouns and uncountable nouns, and also any, some. For example, any for question and negative sentence we use. There aren't any other animals in this small forest. Okay? And how many? We can't count the kid. And answer is not many. And uncountable, water. I haven't got any water. So water is uncountable noun. Okay, I have some water. So some is for positive sentence. Any is for negative and question sentence. How much water do you want? So how much is countable noun. When we ask questions, use for how much. So answer is not much. Not much water, like that. Okay, so last lesson we studied countable and uncountable nouns and some, any. Okay, today I'm not alone. There is a special guest who came from USA. So would you come up, please?
Yes.
Okay.
I'm glad to be with you today. My name is David.
Okay. I'm glad to see you again, David. Okay, so today he will work with me. Okay, let's start our lesson. Okay.
Today we will talk about quantitative nouns. Some nouns you can't give a quantity of it by itself, so you have to add another word to it. We're going to see what kind of words you can add to nouns so that you can tell about their quantity. Here are some of the nouns that we will use. Water, bread, meat, tea, milk, sausage, rice, jam, juice, and pasta. Here are some of the words you will use to talk about these, to talk about the quantities. A loaf of bread, a whole loaf of bread. Or a bottle of water, a bowl of rice, a jar of jam, a cup of tea, a kilo of mutton, a slice of sausage, A carton of milk. A glass of juice. A packet of pasta. And a slice of bread. Just like we had a slice of sausage, you can have a slice of bread, one piece. Now let's review. Bread. You can have a loaf of bread or a slice of bread.
A slice of bread.
Water.
Water.
You can have a bottle of water.
A bottle of water.
Rice.
Rice.
A bowl of rice.
A bowl of rice.
Jam.
A jam.
A jar of jam.
A jar of jam.
Juice.
Juice.
A glass of juice.
A glass of juice.
Sausage.
Sausage.
A slice of sausage.
A slice of sausage.
Pasta.
Pasta.
A packet of pasta.
A packet of pasta.
Milk.
Milk.
A carton of milk.
A carton of milk.
Tea.
Tea.
A cup of tea.
A cup of tea.
And mutton.
Mutton.
A kilo of mutton.
A kilo of mutton. Okay, let's go ahead.
All right, now we will get some more practice. Do you remember the words we used to describe each of these things? The quantity. Complete the words using the quantity nouns that you learned. How much mutton? A kilo of mutton. How much tea? A cup of tea. How much jam? A jar of jam. How much water? A bottle of water. How much pasta? A packet of pasta. How much bread? A slice of bread, if you have one piece, or a loaf of bread, if you have the whole thing. How much juice? A cup of juice. How much rice? A bowl of rice. Here we are, bread again. Do you remember the two words for bread? For one piece, you have a slice of bread. For the whole thing, you have a loaf of bread. A carton of milk. A kilo of mutton. A cup of tea. A jar of jam. A bottle of water. A packet of pasta. A loaf of bread. A cup of juice. A kilo of rice. A slice of bread. And a carton of milk.
Okay, now my turn. Now, the future simple tense. When we use future simple tense, action which may or may not happen in the future. Okay, let's see. Positive sentence, subject plus will verb. Okay, for example, I will play basketball. So will play is future simple tense, positive sentence. Okay, next one. Subject plus will not plus verb. So I won't play basketball. I won't play. This one is negative sentence of future simple tense. Okay, I won't play basketball. Okay, next one. Question sentence. So will plus subject plus verb. Okay, there is an example. Will you play basketball? Will you play basketball? So, question here is will plus subject is you, verb play. Okay, will you play basketball? Positive, negative, question sentence. I play basketball. I won't play basketball. Will you play basketball? Okay, also in this tense, we use some time expressions. Okay, tonight, soon, tomorrow, next Monday, or next Tuesday, or next Wednesday, or next month, or next year, like that. Okay, there is an example like that. For example, my family will go to the countryside next week. My family will go to the countryside next week. This is a future meaning. Future expression next week. Will go is future tense auxiliary verb will, like. Okay, so this is our simple future tense. Okay, let's go ahead.
Now we will work on negative and positive simple future sentences. For each one of the sentences, choose which one is best. But be careful, in a couple of the sentences, you can choose either one according to your own preference. So choose which one is better. If neither is better, choose whichever one you want. I won't drink some cold juice. He won't buy some potatoes. There aren't any potatoes in his fridge. They won't cook today. They won't eat out. We won't have a birthday cake tomorrow. It's her birthday. She won't buy a lot of sugar. It's not healthy. Are you ready? I won't drink some cold juice, but maybe you will. He will buy some potatoes. There aren't any potatoes in his fridge. They will cook today. They won't eat out. But maybe you don't want to cook, or they don't want to cook. So you could say they won't cook today. But in that case, you would have to say they will eat out, because they have to have something to eat. We will have a birthday cake tomorrow. It's her birthday. She won't buy a lot of sugar. It's not healthy. Now we will get some more practice using simple future. Look at each of these pictures and use the forms and words that you just learned to say what they will do today. What will she do? She will listen to music. What will he do? He will play the piano. What will they do? They will ride a bicycle. What will he do? He will play basketball. What will they do? Oh, what will we do? We will go to the cinema. What will they do? My family will go to the picnic. What will my parents and I do? My parents and I will go shopping. Now we will do some assignments practicing the simple future. Put the verbs into the simple future tense in these first sentences. He to the cinema. Use the word go in the simple future tense. My friends, a novel. Use the word write in the simple future tense. Answer the following questions in simple future positive form. Will your friends come tonight? Will your mom go shopping? Rephrase the following sentences in the negative future simple form. I will travel to Mars. We will have a Halloween party at 7:30. Now, check your answers. He will go to the cinema. My friends will write a novel. They will come tonight. My mom will go shopping. I won't travel to Mars. We won't have a Halloween party at 7:30.
Okay. Would you like? So, would, all forms for offering. All forms for offering. Okay, let's see. There is an example. Would you like some milk? Would you like some milk? Yes, I would. No, I wouldn't. Okay. Would you like some milk? Yes, I would. No, I wouldn't. Okay. Would you like some coffee? Would you like some coffee? Yes, I would. No, I wouldn't. Okay. When we are offering something for someone, we ask, would you like? And question, answering, yes, I would, or no, I wouldn't. Okay, let's go ahead. Let's practice.
Would you like a hot dog?
Yes, I would.
Would you like some soft drink?
No, I wouldn't.
Would your little sister like an ice cream?
Yes, she would.
We have 3 meals a day. What kind of quantity nouns do you need to use in order to talk about those meals? See if you recognize the new words you learned as I talk about the 3 meals we have each day. We have breakfast between 7 and 9 a.m. We usually have some eggs and a slice of bread and a cup of tea for breakfast. Lunch. We have lunch between 12 and 1:30 p.m. We usually have much meat with some vegetables and some soup with a cup of tea for lunch. Dinner. We have dinner between 5 and 7 p.m. We usually have a bowl of soup with some vegetables and yogurt for dinner. Answer the following questions using the future simple and the different quantity nouns that you've learned today. What will you have for breakfast? What would you like to eat for lunch? What time will we have dinner tomorrow? I will have some eggs and a slice of bread for breakfast. I would like some coffee with biscuits. We will have dinner at 6 o'clock. This is the conclusion of our lesson. Do you remember what we learned today? Future simple, quantity nouns, and using would to present things. And also we learned about meals.
Okay, now homework. Okay, page number 88, exercise 5B and 6, and also exercise 6AB. Page number 89, exercise 8B.
I hope you had a nice lesson. Remember to take care of yourself during this COVID-19 quarantine. Wash your hands often, wear your mask whenever you go outside, and try to stay away from large groups.
Okay, thank you, teacher.
You're welcome.
Okay,
Thank you.
we hope the lesson was enjoyed you. Okay, goodbye. See you next time.